Hey guys, I'm Pritha. Welcome back to my channel. So first of all, happy Diwali to each one of you. Sending my love and best wishes for you guys. And I think you already read the title of this video, and yes, I'm doing a Diwali lookbook, and whatever the outfits I'll show to you will be very much simple and not very complex. And the thing is, I'm also going to show you how I created my makeup look for each of the outfits. I've created 3 looks, and I've also created 3 makeup looks for those 3 outfits. So it will complement the whole thing in that way. First, I'll show you the makeup tutorial, and then I'll show you the whole thing put together. Okay, and if you're new here, then make sure to check out all my other videos, and if you like the content, then make sure to subscribe to my channel and turn on your notifications. Press the bell icon right beside the subscribe option, and you will be notified every time I upload a brand new video. And now, without any further ado, let's get started with this video. Okay, so I just came a little bit closer to the camera so that you guys can see my makeup, and I just prepped my skin with proper skincare. And the first thing which I'm gonna put is my foundation. This is a Nykaa Skin Genius foundation. I will of course put down the link of each and every product in the description box. So I just took some, and I'm going to dot it all over my face. And of course my neck. Never ever skip your neck as well. Now I just took my beauty blender, and I'm going to wet it a little bit, because wetting your beauty blender a little bit and then blending a foundation with that actually helps a lot with the blending. Moving on to the next step, I'm going to use my compact powder, which is from Maybelline. I'll use this to set my base. That's it. I also applied the foundation on my eyelids and on my dark circle area, because I don't have a concealer, but right now my foundation is doing great job as that of a concealer, so I'm just using that. Okay, now let's move on to the eyes. Firstly, I'm gonna take this transition shade right over here and then tap off the excess. And now, where is my makeup mirror? Okay, here I got my mirror, and I'm just going to apply this just on my crease and nowhere else. What happened right now, this thing broke. Okay, it was hanging from a very long time, so I'm gonna take this red eyeshadow, a little too much on the brown, and then I'll tap off the excess, and I then apply it on just my outer eyelid. I'm not gonna go deep inside my inner corners, just gonna apply this on the outer area. Let's move on to the inner corners, because we are still left with that part. So for the inner corners, I'm going to use this shimmery champagne shade, and I'm gonna apply with the help of a flat brush. So I just took some, and I'm not gonna tap off because I need the highest pigmentation out of this shade. So I'm gonna tap it on my inner corners, not gonna drag it or do something other than tapping. So I'm gonna tap it on my inner corners on both my eyelids. And also, not to forget, I'm gonna also apply the same 2 shades on my lower lash line just to wrap up the whole look. I'm not gonna go right into the corners, just gonna do it on the outer lash line. Then connect it with the upper one. I'm gonna take some on the tip, and again gonna do it right now. Take the blending brush again and gonna blend the edges. So I'm done with my eyes. Now I'm going to apply some blush and highlighter. Now you guys know that I do a very light and easy makeup look all the time. I don't apply a lot of products on my face because I don't like to. I don't know what will happen in the future, but right now I don't like to. So I'm using very minimal amount of products, and these are the products which usually everyone has, so I don't think that it would be a problem. So I'm gonna apply the blush and the highlighter now. So now moving on to the second look, I just did my base, and I am not going to show you how I did because I already showed you. And now moving on to the eye makeup, I'm gonna take this shade from the same palette. I'm gonna apply this on my crease. I'm gonna take this shade now. I'm gonna use this all over my eyelids. The same shade again, I'm gonna do my lower lash line. And I just wanted to go ahead and apply the same champagne shade on my inner corners, just a little bit on my inner corners, both on my eyelids and on my lower lash line. Okay, so I just did my eyes, and I'm gonna do the blush and the highlighter again. And now moving on to the lipstick, I'm using this Faces Canada lipstick, which is in the shade of Being Berry 21. Now time for the final look, and for the final look I'm going to do a very red and yellow kind of a eyeshadow look. So for the first shade, I'm gonna take this red shade again, and I'm gonna apply it on my crease and on my outer eyelids. Now I will take this yellow shade and apply it on my inner corners. I did my eyeliner, kajal and mascara. For the lips, I'm going to use this one, which is from My Glam Lit Liquid Matte Lipstick. It is in the shade of 15 Cuffing, okay? And this is how the shade actually looks like. I'm gonna apply it on my lips quickly. So that is it for the video, guys. I really hope you liked the outfits, and if you did, then let me know which outfit you liked the most in the comment section down below, and make sure to like and share this video with your friends, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel and turn on your notifications. Press the bell icon right beside the subscribe option so that you get notified every time I upload a brand new video. And you can also follow me on my Instagram. My Instagram ID handle link is provided in my description box. You can have a look from there. And once more, happy Diwali. Stay safe, stay healthy, and I will again catch you up very soon. Bye.